àdúrà táwọn ẹni ayé bá ń fẹ́ máa ń gbà ní pé káwọn má tẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó fẹ́ àwọn. Níṣe ló ya ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lẹ́nu báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń wọ́ gbajúmọ̀ òṣèrébìnrin tíátà ilẹ̀ wa Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ tùrùtù lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára lórí ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ tó ṣe pẹ̀lú bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ohun tó ṣe ya àwọn ènìyàn lẹ́nu ni pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn ló fẹ́ràn Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀. Arábìnrin kan ti jáde síta láti wá bá Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ti fún un lọ́rọ̀. Ohun tó sọ yìí ó má lè kí n kà ọ́. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ohun tó wí.
Láti ìjọ́ tí wọ́n ti ń drag Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀, Eni will be the first person that I would make video over trending Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀'s video about Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Mo rí video tí Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe, and I was so surprised that Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ could even give Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà the platform. That's why I explained that. Fine, it's good. But explaining yourself that you are not guilty, you are not guilty. We saw the video of ibi 13 for Waru, ibi 13, 13 farahàn lára ọmọ yẹn nínú video yẹn, ṣára film náà nìyẹn. Then Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀, a lot of people are insulted you, I know, it's part of it. Bóyá controversy ni most of people máa ń wá tí wọ́n fi máa ń wò pé kí káwọn lè ní view or something. Àwọn viewers yẹn bí kíní náà máa ń wá. And a lot of people ló ti ṣe video fún Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ pé àwọn míì gan tún insult personality ẹ̀ pé tí ó bá tiẹ̀ fi òbò ẹ̀ bímọ, at least ó ṣàláwọn tó bímọ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́, that is insult. Ọlọ́run má fi ọ̀rọ̀ wá sí àwọn tàlẹ́ lọ́jọ́ ajé fún ní platform ẹ̀. Don't forget pé ìgbà tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó náà grant interview lórí Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀'s show, òun náà mention somebody's name. Àbí kò mention somebody's name? The somebody's name she mentioned was the one that caused problem between that person and Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀. That one no be talk. Ìgbà tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó náà lọ bẹ̀, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó náà mention somebody's name. Don't forget, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi case Aralola wò tí ó máa ṣe pé a lot of Nigerians that came out for Aralola, this and that. Aralola also will have been there for the sin tí ó commit. Because in tí wọ́n bá submit síwájú judge, only judge máa base judgment lé lórí. I am not saying Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà is not guilty, and I'm not saying is guilty. Wọ́n máa ń sọ pé omi gbígbóná lẹ́jọ́, ó lè dà síyàn lára téèyàn ò bá gbé dáadáa. So him coming out that òun wà guilty of the offence tí wọ́n mú òun fún tóun lọ jìyà fún, the best known to him, òun nìkan ló máa mọ̀ tòótọ́. A lot of video can come out that pé wọ́n lè fi video frame èèyàn, you understand? At least on the interview he said wọ́n submit the audio and the video wọ́n submit the video but the video is not talking. Pé ọ̀rọ̀ ò jáde ń bẹ̀. But the video ibi tí Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ pé òun mọ̀ kóun ṣàṣìṣe, òun mọ̀ kóun ṣe kinní kóun mọ̀ ṣe under duress ni. Is he under duress? Because you were begging when princess saying kí ló dé tó ṣe báyìí, kí ló dé tó ṣe báyìí, pé ṣé nǹkan tó ṣe dá, ó dẹ̀ ń bẹ̀bẹ̀. Ìyá kan mi fẹ́ dárúkọ ìyá yẹn náà sọ pé ìgbà tó wá sí kinní kan gbà yẹn wọ́n accuse of kinní kan gbà yẹn. See, Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀, see, abeg, may you rest first, rest. This insult is getting out of hand. It's getting too much. With all the goods you have done for Nigerians, wọ́n ṣe láṣẹ gan over Bukola Eleyele's matter. Why would you go and meet Bukola Eleyele in hotel? Olóòlówó lọ́wọ́ láti rent ilé, òun san owó 55,000 naira for every day in hotel. And they never knew maybe èèyàn ló san owó Bukola Eleyele or something. Àwọn èèyàn kan tún sọ pé báwo ló ṣe máa gbé ilé 1 million? How much ilé 2 million? Anyways, I don't even have much to say about that. I just know that I think something is fishy over Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà's case. But no matter what, your name has been recorded on Bido over Lagos State, whatever. Because ìgbà tí Yomi Fabiyi jáde láti wá explain whatever, then sanctioning. So be careful.
Èèyàn kí lẹ rí sóhun tárábìnrin yìí sọ nípa Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀.